Although Frame tool in Photoshop is not so commonly used, it also has its unique advantages. Today, I will show you how to use the Frame tool and something special about this tool. Using the Frame tool is very simple. The shortcut is K. You only need to select the rectangular or elliptical of the Frame tool and make a frame wherever you need. After that, you can drag an image into the frame or go to Top menu, File, find Place Embedded or Place Linked. Choose the image you want to frame, and the image shows. The special thing is if you use Place Linked to import an image. In this situation, any changes you make to the original image will change the images in the frame as well. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.